everyone! Today I like to share my recipe to make a sushi at home. In my last video, I show you beautiful sushi in Japan. So today, let's make sushi together. Hope you can enjoy making sushi at your home with your family and friends, even with your kids. So hope you guys enjoy your experience making your own sushi at home. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the omelette and also the cooked rice, just like that. Looks good. Like this consistency. Okay, so now to make sushi rice, you need to prepare some vinegar, so rice vinegar, and some sugar, a little bit sugar, and a little bit salt, and just to mix vinegar, sugar, and salt in a little bowl like this, and then put it in the rice. Mix well. Then into rice. Mix well. At the same time, you need to cool down the rice like this. It's fun. Lovely. Now you prepare this piece of seaweed like this. And also, some ingredients I show you. So here some omelettes that we've seen before, and some cucumbers, shrimps, avocados, and cream cheese, like type of Philadelphia cheese. Now it's time to rock and roll. We need this bamboo mat and a seaweed. So here's the seaweed. You can see the line like vertical way. So you put the seaweed as this, you see the lines vertical way like this, and then you put the rice and hold over the seaweed. So first we make a big rolls. Now we had this rice prepared over the seaweed, just like this. A lot of rice we need to prepare to make a big rolls with shrimps and avocados, cucumbers, the omelette, and cream cheese. Yum! So we'll see how it goes. So now the rice is ready. It's all over the nori seaweed, and it's time to put some ingredients over it. So we take first the omelette. Here's some omelette. Like this. The second one. Like this. I'm gonna choose some cucumbers. Like this. Like that. Oh, make sure to put together. And some cream cheese. Oh, this cream cheese is very soft. I should have chosen the type of kiri cheese, but I happened to chose some cream cheese. It's really creamy. Here you go. And now some avocado, like that. Oop. Oh, I forgot to remove this shrimp skin. Okay, finally I put some shrimps without skin, and here's some little trick. I love the sesame seed, so I'm just gonna put some of them like this. Sesame is really good for the health, so I like it and tastes good too. That looks good. So now it's time to roll. Let's go. It's a lot of things in there, so you be careful. Like you hold some and roll it like all over it and push, and little by little you progress rolling little by little like this, and voila, like not bad here. So it looks good. Just to make sure to press a little bit harder so that it won't crumble. Let's see. Here you go. It looks good. So for the next one is the avocado roll that everybody loves. So to make avocado rolls, one of the algae, the seaweed, you need to cut it in half. So for that you can use a scissor to make it in half. So for one roll we only use the half of the one seed of seaweed. Same procedure. You put some seeds of seaweed, and you put some rice over it. I'm using fork to make it so flat like this. It's sticky rice, so it's kind of tricky. Sticky rice is tricky, so you can use a fork like me, or you just use a spoon, whatever is convenient for you. So now the avocado is ready to roll. So same on, I'm gonna put some sesame seeds. That tastes good. So here you go. Put some seaweed like this, and be careful because this is so narrow, it's difficult to roll, but you can make sure just press down the avocado like this. Roll it just so gently, nicely, like with your love. Like this. Voila! Just to make sure to be firm enough for cutting. Now it's time, the most exciting part of making sushi. It's the cutting. Let's go. So here is the sharp knife that you can use, and here's a sushi that we made. I made later. So let's cut it. It's the edge, so it's like this. Oh, like this. And you just keep cutting. Look at this beautiful sushi. Just gonna keep cutting everything. Like this. Here's for the avocado. Look at that, so beautiful. Wow, here's how they look like. Ooh, this is avocado. Now it's the best part. Let's taste the sushi. So here, I'm ready to taste the sushi. I put the sushi in this beautiful box. Ta-da! Wow! So here's shrimp roll, here's the avocado roll, and here's egg roll. Woo! Ready to rumble. And I got some sake de Japon, de Japan. Here is chopstick, and you see this is called hashioki. I chose the maple because it's in autumn, and I show you something here. Here's a hashioki. It's to the rest of the chopsticks. Here is a variety of the hashioki. Each season, like spring, summer, you can change all kind of flowers. It's beautiful. Now I put some sake into the shot glass. Some soy sauce. Oops. Let's taste first from avocado. Here, I'm gonna put some soy sauce. いただきます。So good. Now I try the shrimp roll. It's a big roll. You have to open the big mouth. Here we go. いただきます。It's so good. You've got to try. It's so good. No words. Simply, it's best. Hope you enjoyed the video and inspired you to create your own sushi at home. Please share your idea in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.